at 17 that love was meant for beauty queens and high school girls with clear skin smiles who married young and then retired. The Valentines I never knew, the Friday night charades of you were spent on one more beautiful 17 Those of us with ravaged faces.
At this point, I was still waiting for my friend Soleil to present, and then this magnificent artist started music that just in some way it put me in a trance, and I don't know how to explain it, but I was just like in a state of calm, and I normally don't feel like that at school, but I felt like the trees, just the visuals and everything brought that state to like the forefront of my brain. And so like I just thought, wow, I was like getting creative juices flowing, and it was such an amazing time. I'm so happy that I went and got to see my friend present, and she's coming up next. Woo!
Woo! Hi everyone! I'm just gonna do this because of the projector. Stand over here, and thank you so much for coming tonight. And I'm going to show a screening of some edited, recently filmed footage. And it has to do with the basketball game that results in a dental emergency. On October 26th, we filmed a dental sequence in the Davenport Dining Hall. And there were tooth characters. And I know that there are some people here who didn't get the chance to be a tooth character who really were excited about it. And so I brought 28 towels for people to wear so they could become teeth. So I just said we pass them out to people, and you can actually keep your towel.
It's time, it's a test, just a test, it's just a rest. Na 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 na, it's just a rest. Na 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 na, bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Love you guys to the moon and back, 'cause you are my guys. Yeah.
I learned the truth at 17 that love was meant for beauty queens and high school girls with clear skin smiles.
I know this looks a little weird, but I started putting my lipstick on my face as blush because Drain Ugliness is so real. I was going to visit my friend in her hometown and meet her family and stuff, so I was like, I can't be showing up to her house crusty AF, so I needed to refresh and just do some like simple blush and lippies.
And those of us with ravaged faces, lacking in the social graces, desperately remained at home, inventing lovers on the phone who call
like this is
isn't all
literally
that
the
seems
baseball field.
at 17. A brown-eyed girl in hand-me-downs, whose name I never could pronounce. Pity please the ones who serve, they only get what they deserve. The rich relationed hometown queen marries into what she needs, with a guarantee of company and haven for the elderly.
Supposedly the best hot dogs.
Remember those who
Okay.
win the
Best since 1919.
games, the love they
You know,
saw
Arizona wasn't a state until 1912. After the movie finished, what it was in my brain on repeat was, I am here to see my husband, my husband, my husband. But it was like Paul Mescal. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my little video, because I know in these notoriously dreary months of winter, it can seem like a sad time, but I'm here to show you that, like, no, it doesn't have to be. It can be cozy and cute, and you can do little fun things, be creative. You can go on little adventures, and overall just reflect and be in nature, because I feel like that's what the human existence is. And thank you for following along my journey, and hope you return back. And if you want to, make sure to subscribe.